Good morning to all. Hi, hello guys. This is Ampol Ravi Kumar. You are watching Ampol Teachings Ravi Sir YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about new education policy 2020. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education model. No 10 plus 2 model. Now it is 5 plus 3 plus 4. 10 plus 2 board structure is dropped. New school structure will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. When I was a student in my childhood, every class, half yearly annual examinations, there I got progress report cards. All subjects are marked. All subjects marks they will publish in the progress report card. Fail marks in red ink, pass marks in blue ink, like that. At that time, I thought I have so many other talents, skills, but those are not calculated. Okay, previously all are saying that education system should be changed. Now it's the time. After 36 years, on July 29th, 2020, our central government changed our education system. That is new education policy 2020. We shall discuss in detail about our new education policy 2020. Please watch this video till the end. If you have any doubts, write it in comment box. Okay, let us discuss about in detail new education policy. No 10 plus 2 model, it's now 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. First 5 years is foundation course, PNC, that is primary, pre-primary nursery, that is nursery, KG, grade 1, grade 2. Next 3 years is preparatory course, grades 3, 4, 5. Next 3 years is middle school, grades 6, 7, 8. And the fourth one is 4 years course, high school course, it is grades 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So we shall discuss in detail first foundation course. First 5 years is called foundation course. Entry age is 3 years up to 5 years. It is nursery, LKG, UKG, grade 1, grade 2. Early childhood care and education, ECCE. Playway method and activity based learning is given more importance here. No theoretical knowledge. For example, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. No theoretical knowledge. Only playway method or activity based learning. Nursery to grade 2. Okay, primary nursery to class 2. Medium of instruction should be in regional languages. Okay, it is all about first 5 years foundation course. Next 3 years is preparatory course. It comes for grade 3, 4, 5. That is class 3, 4 and 5. Here basics of maths, arts, science, humanities, etc. and interactive learning method is given importance here. Okay. Here classes 3rd class, 4th class, 5th class. Okay. Next comes middle school. Next 3 years comes under middle school. That is from grade 6th, 7th, 8th. That is class 6, 7th and 8th. Here skill development is given more importance. Most abstract concepts, internships from 6th class, skill learning projects, internships, skill based learning, 10 days bagless education is also provided here. Okay, very simple. Here in this 3 years from 6th class, students can learn skill learning projects, internships. Here it is mainly based on skill based learning. Next comes next 4 years, that is high school education. High school education is student choice. Here in this high school education it comes grades 9, 10, 11, 12. That is class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Student choice is given more priority. Multidisciplinary study, one skill should be developed here. Extracurricular and co-curricular activities are compulsory here. Students can choose according to their choice. Suppose one student can choose with mathematics and he is interested in music, so he can choose music also. Similarly, one student interested in cricket and he can choose cricket also. Extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities are compulsory. Subjects and vocational education is given here. This is most important stage, high school education. Next comes higher education. Here multiple entry and exit model, credit bank system, higher education accreditation, first year certificate, second year certificate. Suppose nowadays, previously, if any student drops in the middle of the degree syllabus course, first year, he may lose 1 year. Now, in this new system, for each year he will get certificate. First year also he will get certificate. For second year also, if he for any reason, if he want to, if he discontinues his study, he will get certificate. Okay. All higher education will be governed by only one authority. From class 8th to 11th, students can choose subjects. Here, 3 or 4 year graduation certificate, master's degree is 1 or 2 years, integrated master's degree 5 years, no MPhil, direct PhD. One India, one education system, skill based learning, internship, credit bank, seminar based examination, importance and vocational courses. Okay. All higher education will be governed by only one authority. UGC, AI, CTE will be merged. All university, government, private, open, deemed, vocational, etc. will be same. Grading and other roles. New teacher training board will be set up for all kinds of teachers in the country. No state can change. Same level of accreditation to any college based on its rating. College will get autonomous rights and funds. New basic learning program will be created by the government for parents to teach children up to 3 years in home and for preschool 3 to 6. Multiple entry and exit from any course. Credit system for graduation. For each year, student will get some credits which he can utilize if he takes break in course and come back again to complete the course. All school exams will be semester wise, twice a year. The syllabus will be reduced to core knowledge of any subject only. More focus on student practical and application knowledge. For any graduation course, if a student completes only 1 year, he will get a basic certificate. If he completes 2 years, then he will get a diploma certificate, and if he completes full course, then he will get degree certificate. So no year of any student will be wasted if he break the course in between. All the graduation course field of all universities will be governed by single authority with capping on each course. So it is the final one India, one education system, our new education system. Thanks for watching.